Hi, I'm Gavin from FEIN. Here we're looking at the new VersaMAG, new magnetic mobile vice system from FEIN, with a 100mm clamping system, permanent magnet allowing you the ability to hold the material wherever you need. Taking timber, in, clamping, allowing you to then cut, all hands free. It's part of a new system from FEIN, utilising the permanent magnet. The vice slides onto the base, clipping like that and unlocking. So we're planning to launch over the next every 2 to 3 months a new accessory. The first accessory that we have is the new 250 by 250 welding plate table, which again clips onto the permanent magnet, as such, locking into place. The system builds on the fact that as a permanent magnet, there's no power, no battery, it realigns the poles. You have a permanent system locking into place, giving you full control. Great for pillar drilling, but from our side, one of the biggest advantages is the fact that we've produced it with a dovetail system, allowing users to design their own and utilize the system for whatever device they need, whether it's a lashing strap or a posable arm, allowing users however they need.
So what does that lever actually do? So it realigns the poles?
It realigns the poles and locks the magnet into place. So as you can see from here, there's a zero position, no magnetic hold. There's a 30% hold that gives you a position that also then allows you to realign the magnet, then locking it over to 100%, giving you 7,800 Newton meters of magnetic holding force in a simple magnetic vice.
That's a lot,
It is. It works out at 7.5 or just over 7.5 ton.
So basically you can swing that lever around.
Yes.
Slightly to get it adjusted where you want it.
Yep.
Yeah? And then just whack it straight over.
Whack it over into place.
Push it around for me. See what? That's it. Yeah.
It's really not going anywhere. No. Locking it to there. Simple system.